We here for BDB. It's your boy Tri-State. We had my Mama Bear birthday bowling bash. You know what I'm saying? We got Shelly G in the building.
Stop recording me with my glasses on my forehead.
You heard it. You heard the exclusive. We're here with you feel me, Uptown Rosie. What we doing here?
You can't spell Bronx without the X, okay? I got some strikes on this.
You heard. We over here with the Jersey City native. Where we at? What we doing right now?
I got over 200 points. I've been rocking it. I probably got like 10 strikes.
You heard?
I'm blowing up tonight. I don't even know where this is all happening. It's just out of nowhere.
Where did you strike for rocking earlier today?
Right. On her.
Are you going to defend yourself?
No.
You heard it. She's not denying it. And we have the bowler right here. He's forcing his fingers into bowling balls, but I don't think that's a crime. It might be though. Come talk to him. This is another MVP bowler. He's making his fingers work. Talk to him about it.
About what? I have to be pinching this damn thing like a tit, man. It's not good. It's wrong.
Yeah.
And you can reborn these things for man-sized hands, not kitties.
And we're here with JJ. Talk to him, JJ.
Hi.
That's all you got to say, huh? You acting shy?
Yeah. I'm camera shy.
She ain't camera. She lying. Cat. Bye. Anyway, back to you, Surge.
I want to wish my big sis BDB a happy birthday. She's the inspiration to us all. Looking fly still. I think she just turned 36, no lie. 36, okay? Not the other way around. So we want to wish you a happy birthday, Bernadette. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nana. I love you very much. I hope you had a wonderful birthday today. Love you. Also, make sure you go look at the songs that I've posted. Broken, Godmo and Godmo remix. All right?
Happy birthday, Grandma. I hope you're enjoying yourself. As you can see right now, you by the ball right now.
That's the one right there, brother. Let's go!
Birthday, Grandma. I love you. I hope you enjoyed your day. What's up, Ma? Happy birthday. Wishing you many, many more to come. Beautiful hair, though. Beautiful hair. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful.
I just want to say happy birthday to Ashley's mom. Tonight was a great night. You know, we had fun, you know, enjoying the family.
Hey, I just want to say happy birthday. Wish you many more birthdays to come. God bless, and stay cool. She's a great mom, and I look up to her as another mom. So happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, big sis. I hope you had a wonderful week. And I hope 2025 is amazing for you. Love you.
Hey, happy birthday, Aunt Bernadette. Enjoy your day, man. Love you.
Yo.
Say goodbye to the vlog.
Good night. We had a ball. We was bowling. Of course, I bowled the best. I always have. But I don't be one to offend people. But we had a good night. He gonna put this together. We'll get back to you.